Hi there and welcome to Twinkl Go. We're going to give you a brief introduction of what Twinkl Go is and how to use it. To put it simply, Twinkl Go is the home of our interactive resources here at Twinkl. It's an innovative streaming platform which allows you to teach in flexible ways.
The resources are 100% paperless and include a vast range of resources covering topics from EYFS to Key Stage 4. Twinkl Go is a tool for you to use in your classroom or for students to use at home.
As the resources work on any device, if you've got the internet, you've got Twinkl Go. There are a number of ways that you can find Twinkl Go. You can access it through going onto Google and typing in Twinkl Go. This will take you straight to the Twinkl Go site.
You can also access it through the main Twinkl site by either typing in Go, which will take you straight to the site, or you can go to the resource button here and find Go. On the Twinkl Go site, there are 5 different sections with different types of resources in each section. You have Explore, Listen, Play, Watch, and Teach. We'll have a look at what these are in the next video.
You can also collate resources into lessons, and then you can share the lessons with your students through a pin code. This can be used independently with tablets and computers or at home to be done as homework.